Hello friends, today we are just discussing a uh, simple mathematics and it's just a normal problem solving. So I'll just draw a pizza here and I will just make like a few pieces out of it. So as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 pieces here, and let's say there are 4 friends, and all of them are equal aged friends, and they want to eat this pizza, and we want to make sure that none of them is unhappy after eating this, or nobody gets like less. They all get equal share of pizza. So I'll just make 4 friends: A, B, C, and D. Now I'll give my first piece to A, second piece to B, third piece to C, and fourth piece to D. And now I will again divide, because I want to make sure that everyone gets the same. So I will first divide one by one. So I'll again give like fifth piece to A, sixth piece to B, seventh piece to C, and eighth piece to D. So as you can say, like all of them has got one pieces each, like two pieces each, and so now they are all happy, right? So what we exactly did is called division in mathematics. What we are trying to do is, we have a big number. So here you can say like our number was 8, and we have a small number. Then how do we divide? Like, so it could be either way. It could be like you can divide a small number by a big number, or a big number by a small number. But here, for the sake of simplicity, we are taking just like a 2 number which are like um, easily divisible. And so here, as you can say, if this is 8, and if I divide by 4, and so what I get is 2. So everyone got 2 pizza. Now let's say what I have to do here. Let's say I have got just one big pizza, and it is not divided yet. So I don't have any pieces. I just have like one big chunk of pizza. It's not been cut yet. Now if I have got only one person just by myself, then I get like a full sorry, I get like a full part of the pizza. If I have me and my brother, then how much pizza could I get? I'll get half of it. So what I'll do, I'll just write half pizza for myself and half pizza for my friend, my brother. Now if I have like just another friend comes from the neighborhood, so in that case what I'll do, I will get this pizza and I'll try to cut it in 3 pieces, 1, 2 and 3. In that case, all of us will get 1 by 3 1 by 3 and 1 by 3, 1/3 of the pizza. And if I have like, so he also like, that friend brings another friend. In that case, I have to divide that pizza in 4 equal parts. So what I'll get here is each one of us gets 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, and 1/4. So we get 1/4 of the pizza. So what this 1/4 represents is that there is a whole big, out of which I get the fourth part. So if I make like 4 parts out of one big pizza, then I get like one part becomes the 1/4. So what we exactly did is we divided the whole thing by some number to make equal parts of it. So let's say if I have a big chocolate, which is I would say which is like 10 centimeters long, and if you want to divide it with someone, like if you want to share it with your brother or sister, then you have to just divide it. So if I want to make equal parts, then I have to, so this 10 centimeters. So what I will do, I'll give 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter here, 1 centimeter here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So in a way I will give like 5 on this side and 5 on this side to make it 10. So basically division is to to make equal parts of one item with another. So let's say if we just take a normal example, and if I say that divide 6 into 3 equal parts, so that's how I will write it. Or another way to write it is 6 divided by 3, which is equals to 2. And I mean that becomes the same. So basically, once we start getting into this, we come to know, and we have got a very interesting thing with us, which is the tables. So as you know, like if you remember the tables, the division becomes easy. So let's say if I see the table of 2, it's 2 times 1 equals 2, 2 times 2 equals 4, 2 times 3 equals 6, 3 times 2 times 4 equals 10, 2 times 5 equals, sorry, that's my bad, I think I'm just writing, I'm just jumping, 8, and this one is 10, 2 times 6 equals 12, 2 times 7 equals 14, 2 times 8 equals 16, 2 times 9 equals 18, and 2 times 10 equals 20. So as you can see, what it means is, so this is the sign of multiplication. So if you multiply 1 2 times, that becomes 2. If you add like 2 2 times, that becomes 4. If you add 3 2 times, that becomes 6. That means this is the number, and this is the times you get that. So let's say if I I've got like two of something, like 2 chocolates, and if I multiply it by 1, I get 2. But if I add 2 more chocolates, then I get 4 chocolates. If I add another 2 chocolates, then I get 6 chocolates. So what these tables do, they are shown as a multiplication, but they help us a lot in division. So if I want to write, say, divide these two into one part. So what I get? 2, because anything divided by 1 equals to the same number. Now if I say that let's divide this 4 into 2 pieces, so what do I get? 2. Here if I say divide this 6 into 3 pieces, so what I get? Again 2. And here if I do say divide this 8 into 4 pieces, so what you get? And again 2. And again if you see divide this 10 into 5 pieces and you get another 2. And same way here, if you divide the 12 by 6, you get another 2. Here 14 divided by 7, you get another 2. Here I'm just taking one table and just trying to explain the whole table. So we get a different idea about table. We just don't try to cram it, but we know like how it works, and we can use it more efficiently if we have this kind of understanding. So if I divide 16 into 8 pieces, I'll again get 2 pieces each. If I divide 18 by 9, I can get 2. If I get 20 divided by 10, I again get 2. So as you can see, like here we just get 2 in each answer. Again, I will divide this in a different way. So let's say if I divide 2, so first I divided each one of them by this number here, and that's where I get this. Now again I'm trying to divide the same answer by these numbers, and let's see what we get. So, and I will just mark this one here. So if I divide 2 by 2, I get 1. So if I divide this number divided by this, I get 1. Now if I divide this number by this number, let's say 4 divided by 2, I get this number 2. And let's say now I divide this number by this number, so I divide 6 by 2 and I get 3. And let's say I divide this number by this, so 8 divided by 2, I get 4. Divide this number by this number, so 10 divided by 2, I'm getting 5. So as you can see, I'm dividing each of my answer by 2, and what I'm getting is this number here. So if I divide 14 by 2, I get 7. If I divide 16 by 2, I get 8. I divide 18 by 2, I get 9. I divide 20 by 2, I get 10. So as you can see, if I divide my answer by this number, then I get this number. And if I divide my answer by this number, then I get this number. So that's how the tables are made. So the answer of your table is basically multiplication of these two numbers. That means you can either say I have some 2 items times 1, or I have got 1 item times 2. Here you can say I got 2 items times 2, or and again the same way 2 items times 2 because they are same numbers. But here you can say I got two chocolates, and each chocolate has got 3 pieces, or or you can say the other way, I got like 3 chocolates and each chocolate gets 2 pieces. But if you just take 1 piece each, then they become 6 pieces. Now you can say I got like 2 pizza and I have made it like 4 quarters out of it. So I got like 2 pizza and 4 pieces each. So I got total 8 pieces. You can say I got 4 pizza and each pizza I'm just making half of it. So you can say I got like 8 half of this pizza. Like, so I got 8 halves, or you can say I got like 8 quarters in this case. So if I got 2 pizza and if I make 4 quarters, I got 8 quarters. If I got 4 pizza and if I make like 2 parts of it, I get like 8 halves. So depending on like which number you multiply, so either you can have 2 pizza or you can have 4 pizza. If you have get 4 pizza, you get double of it. So basically you get 8 halves and 16 quarters. That means that's double of 8. So you can just, so any equation, any formula or any table or anything, if you see uh, like this, and if you get like so many examples out of the same thing, you understand them better. So now you know that you can very efficiently use the tables for division. So let's say if someone asks you, just I got uh, I got 14 chocolates and I want to give, I have got 7 children and I want to divide these chocolates equally so that none of the children feels that, oh, I didn't get my equal share. How many chocolates should I give them? So you simply know that, oh, I got 14 chocolates, I got uh, uh, 7 children. I will just divide my 14 by 7, and what you get, 2. So now you know that you have to give 2 chocolates each. So that's how I would suggest that you can check each table, and you will then understand, and you will be able to do a lot of calculations mentally, and that helps to those people who wants to participate in any competitive exams or so. So yeah, always try to learn things in more depth. Yeah, I think that's it for today's video. I kind of like thought not to give it a name, but it's still, you can say, like a division and multiplication. So I'll put it as this. So if you like this video, please press the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.